Hello, this is Emma from Twinkl Australia and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Twinkl Create tool. So make sure you go to twinkl.com.au and then up the top there is an orange pencil that says Create. We're going to click on that. Twinkl Create is a tool where you can make your own classroom resources ranging from literacy resources, activities for your students, and even classroom management displays. Today I'm going to show you how to make a display banner with Twinkl Create. So let's click on the item display banner, then scroll down to the green button at the bottom of the page and click next step. I'm going to choose my banner size as standard, click next step, and here's where I begin to customize my banner and really create. I've decided today I'm going to make a banner for my unit on dinosaurs that I'm teaching to a Year 3 class. So I've got a blue border, green background colour. For the words that I'm going to choose, I could go through a number of Twinkl's pre-selected word choices, but today I'm just going to simply add the word dinosaurs to my display banner. So I've typed it here and then click the blue plus button and it then appears on your banner. For any item during this creative process that you would like to move, you simply click on it, a red box appears around it, and then you drag it across your screen. Let's move this back to the middle now. I can customize the text style, font, size and shape. Let's go with a fun font here. Change the size. And then you can either upload your own images or you can use some of Twinkl's great pre-selected items. Let's go with some dinosaur images. And you can choose from the range here that appears. You can choose from cute or realistic images depending on your class. Once you click on the image, it appears behind the text. You click on it, the red box appears, you hold down the cursor, and you move the picture. Let's select another one. Click, red box appears, move. Then, once you're happy with your design, click the green next step button. You then name your resource. You can create a regular option or an eco-friendly option. You click create, and then the resource starts in the queue. Once it's finished downloading, the page will reload and you'll be able to download the file. Your lovely resource is now ready to download. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next week for some more Twinkl tips.